Hey everyone, it's Shawana. I'm back today with a project share, as you can see, and a super small haul from Echo Park. So anyway, let's just jump into it. I'm part of a swap group called Embellishment Swaps on Facebook, and this swap that I entered is for the 3D camera that Christian's Crafty Adventures. Christian's Crafty Adventures. Yeah, I think that's the name of it. Christian's Crafty Adventures um, posted a video tutorial for. So everybody's making one, and I'll get one for my partner and all that. So anyway, this is what I made for my partner. Now we spoke before, or we messaged before I got started, and talked about our preferences and so on. I literally have no preferences for what somebody sends me. I just want you to do you. But she said she's very girly. And she said a lot of things like, a lot of bling and yada, yada, yada. Anyway, I found out that I'm very deficient in blingy, girly papers. So, I'm doing the best I can. This is I use the, oh, let's see. This paper pack, Practically Perfect from Echo Park. I've had this for a while. I think I may have gotten this in a mystery box because I don't remember buying it. It's really not my jam, but, came in handy this time. Anyway, this is my camera. The front is, Christian also has a tutorial for making cakes. It's a separate video, and when you go to the video, you get all the information. But anyway, so the front is the small cake. So I haven't finished putting this all together. I'm going to put some shred down in here. Take this out for a second. So the front is a cake, and this is a little shaker on the top. And then let me just start from the top. This is the little thing you use to, take the picture. It's a button, and then this is a button also, but I cut the little back off of it. This is the flash, excuse me, and this is another button that I use for some deco. I used these strips of pearls for pretty much all the, as you can see here, all the little outlining things. It also hides a few mistakes that I made. 2 more buttons for, these expensive cameras have buttons all over the place. So there's that. Here's the back. I think I'm going to put my little sticker here, handmade by Shawana or whatever. I did add a little dangle. See if I can get a little closer. Anyway, it's one of those hearts that I got from Happy Crafter Shop. And I just did a little bit of bead wrapping, threw that on there. She can take it off and use it elsewhere. And my strap is a piece of gingham ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. Oops, the Dollar Tree. And this is just a brad. So on the inside, not sure if you can see that well, but that's the inside. So the brad, just put it in there and open it up. Anyway, that's the inside of it. And this is the inside of the lid. And all of Christian's videos are so easy to follow, thorough. I love watching her videos. I love following her videos. But anyway, so that was from the video. To go with it, we had to make one embellishment of some type that matches the paper pad that you're using. I chose to make this mini album So anyway, it's from the same paper pack. This is a sticker from the sticker sheet. And I used, this is what's left of the sticker sheet. So I used pretty much very large percentage of those stickers on just this project. Anyway, so I used the seam binding to bind it. This is just another couple of stickers on the back. This video was Lyric Lover Crafts, I believe is the name of her video. Her name is Amber, and it's from a while back, I believe. But anyway, if you're on Christian's channel, this video is from last July. It was a Christmas in July video. Anyway, I don't know when this one is from, but it's from a while back. So I wanted to leave her plenty of space to like throw in little pictures or little stickers or whatever. Maybe write some things. Here's a little bookmark. And then, you know, going on. This is an extra sheet of cut apart I added in with one of these little paper clips that I got from Temu. And of course, this is another little pocket. So I put a little photo mat or journal mat in there. Just the other side, I added another little paper clip. I think I got this either from Temu or Amazon. Anyway, so another place where she could do some writing. And then another, this one's gold. Another little bookmark or photo mat, whatever she wants to do with it. This one's a belly band. I need to find something to put in there. Another little photo mat. And this is actually, this will flip up, little journaling card. I'll never get that in there one-handed. And then that's the rest of it. And then I'll tie that back up in a moment. So, also, I decided to send her this little case, which, again, with the pearls, and decorate it with the stickers and a little gold on top. I also need to cover that. It's a good thing I'm going through this because I forgot all about that. But I'm sending her some wire wrap beads. Different sizes, some bows. This one says summer. And some candy, beads, and so on. So I'm sending her those. I made her this little, the box for this came from Temu. I hauled that not too long ago. I got these, spoons from the Dollar Tree. It's like a pack of, I want to say 10 baby spoons. The pack I had pink and purple, so this pink worked just perfectly. And I added some pearls and a bow, just for mixing up your sequins mix or just laying it out to be pretty. And this is the sequins mix that I'm sending her. Oops. Oh, shoot. I opened it upside down. Okay. It's okay. Okay. But anyway, I'm sending her a little bit of sequins mix. It's a very little bit. I thought it could hold maybe a little bit more than that, but that's fine. Anyway, and if you'll remember, I got these macaroon containers from Amazon not too long ago. And then, this is very rudimentary, but I made these little thank you for swapping with me cards so that I have something to throw in, so I don't have to make a card, like a I like making handmade cards, but sometimes I'm just not by the time I'm finished with everything else, I'm not in the mood to make a card. So I made these so that I could say, you know, thank you for swapping with me. I signed it down here. It's just got a little picture of her, and it's got the name of the swap. And then I got these stickers that I'm sending from Temu. I got a bunch of stickers. I don't even think I hauled them. But anyway, they have a bunch of, I ordered a bunch of stickers, mainly for my shop to throw in as freebies. But the last couple of swaps I've done, I've put some in there. So that. And so anyway, I'll put some shred in here and add the macaroon, and then put some shred in there, and this will sit right down in there. Oops. And then the album, I'm gonna excuse me, the album I'm gonna put in a sleeve like this, and the spoon also, and package it all up and get it ready to go out in the mail tomorrow. So I hope she really likes what I made. Like I said, I don't have a lot of, I've realized now I don't have a lot of girly stuff. Not that I don't like girly stuff, just I haven't been purchasing it. But anyway, so let's go and look at what I did purchase. A couple weeks ago, maybe 3, Echo Park had they've been having a sale every week. So a couple weeks ago, they had a sale on their collection kits. And last week they had a sale on, no, it's 3 weeks ago. They did a sale on their collection kits, which I think was 50% off. I'm not sure. Then they had a sale on their solid kits. And then last week, week before last, they had a sale on their, last week they did like 3 days sale on their sticker sheets, like these. They were $2 each, and which I ordered some. They should be here, I don't know when. And then they did like 2 or 3 more days of sales on their washi. So anyway, this I received from my order during the collection kit sale. And this is something new to me. I mean, they sent out this little booklet with all of their newer stuff in it, which is great. And it comes with a coupon code. This one's 15% off your next order. But I've noticed they used to send a little card in every order, and it would be like 10% off your next order, whatever. But I've several times used that same code 2 or 3 times, you know, especially if there's like one after another sale going on. So anyway, yeah, I ordered this on the 10th of April. So these were all $8 each. And then, yeah, they were $8 each. And I ordered 10. And there was a discount of $12. Some kind of way it worked out. Anyway, so I ordered Oh Happy Day. I've been looking at this one a lot every time they have a sale, and I always pass it up. So I went ahead and got it. It's got a really nice summer vibe. It says spring on here, but it's a nice summer vibe too. I think I could do some things with this for the summer. So that's the sticker sheet, and of course this is all I'm not going to open them all up, but these are all the papers. So that's Oh Happy Day Spring. which makes me wonder if they have one for every, or are going to have one for every season. I am not into Disney, but I've thought about doing a Disney album for someone. So these are the papers up here that you get. And these are all 12 by 12 double-sided papers and an element, a 12 by 12 element sheet. So, oops. And here's your sticker sheet. I think the only time the other Disney stuff I've had has all come from mystery boxes, because I love getting the Echo Park mystery boxes. I love Echo Park, period. But anyway, so I am trying to build up both my favorite season is winter. So I've got tons of winter stuff. But I started looking through my stuff this year and pulling out my summer stuff and noticed I don't have a lot of summer things. So I've been trying to build up my summer papers and my Halloween papers, because I love Halloween, and I want to do a few more things I've seen on YouTube, of course, with Halloween papers. So that was my focus for this time, was summer and Halloween. And you know, or maybe you don't know, but Echo Park has sales like every month. You know, they're either having sales or they're selling that mystery box. And so I've always got something on the way from them. If you're into it, they also have monthly subscriptions. I'm not into it, but you know, they have some pretty stuff. But anyway, this is Under the Sea. This one was called Trick or Treat, and the Disney is Remember the Magic. This is Under the Sea. Another thing I'm very much not into is mermaids. So, and under the sea type stuff. So I decided I'd put myself out there, outside my comfort zone. I got a Disney and I got an Under the Sea. And then I have this Imagine That, which, Imagine That, it's got a mermaid. So yeah, forcing myself to use things that really not into. Just want to stretch myself a little bit, because I tend to buy the same stuff. Like, they have one called Create and Craft, I think it is, like this, and it's a paper pad and a collection kit and all kind of stuff. I think I bought like 4 paper pads. No, 2 paper pads and 2 collection kits. So I really need to step out of my comfort zone a bit more. This one's Halloween Party. And again, just like that, Happy Oh Happy Day, I've been eyeing these Halloween kits every time there's a sale, and I just don't pick them up. But now I'm thinking, you know, but then, you know, Halloween gets here and I'm like, oh man, I don't have enough Halloween stuff, or I wish I had bought that, or whatever. So here I am. Another Halloween one is the Halloween Magic. I had Halloween Magic in a 6x6 before, and it's very nice. It was very nice to work with. This is Forward with Faith. I have some projects in mind for this, so I got 2 of them. And this one's new to me. I've got another one that's some type of, I think it's called something with faith or whatever, but it's not this one, but since I have the other one, I went ahead and got 2 of this one. I think I have 2 of the other one also. And finally, I love Halloween. And I do. So my next swap that I have coming up is another Christian's Crafty Adventures 3D thing. It's a vending machine. Yeah, I think it's a vending machine. So I'll be getting started on that very soon. It'll probably take a few days and clear up the mess I've made doing this. Doing my camera. And actually, funnily enough, I ended up making this 3 times because it just wasn't working. So this is the final one. I also have this one, which I didn't make a shaker for because I saved that till last. But this one just didn't work out. It was not working for me. So there's so many things wrong with this. So I didn't use this one, and I'm very happy with the product that I finally came up with. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you like what I made, and I hope you come back. So give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.